5 ways to create eye-catching headshots. Headshots are a critical piece of an actor's marketing package. The more appealing your headshot is, the greater the chance a casting director will take a second look at your submission. There are certain ways actors can ensure that their photos will stand out from the rest. Here are 5 ways to create memorable headshots that will be sure to get you noted. Here is the first tip to creating eye-catching headshots. The first important thing you'll want to do is work with a photographer who specifically specializes in entertainment headshots. You can find many local photographers online, or better yet, you could ask for a reference from someone you know in the industry. These photographers are trained to position you in just the right way in front of the camera in order to capture the highest quality image. Working with someone who doesn't have experience in headshot creation for actors could mean ending up with images that are out of focus or simply not up to par. Here is the second tip to creating eye-catching headshots. When choosing an outfit for your shoot, you'll want to stick with a solid color that works well with your features and skin tone. You don't want to go with a hue that overpowers, but also don't want one that washes you out. Stay clear from any color that doesn't complement your complexion, such as a stark white if you have fair skin. You'll also want to stay away from any colors that could clash with the background of your shoot. Stay away from busy patterns as they tend to be very distracting. Remember, headshots are just below the shoulders and up, so your shirt choice matters. If you're unsure of what colors to choose, you can always opt for gray or black or ask your photographer on their opinion for the best option. Here is the third tip to creating eye-catching headshots. When it comes to makeup for your headshots, avoid colors that are bold, far too vibrant, or ones that don't work well with your features. Sticking with a natural palette and highlighting areas of your face that you want to enhance will be your best bet. Using complementary eyeshadows to emphasize your eye color is always a good option. Play around with different looks in advance to see what works best for you. This will allow you to feel both confident and prepared for when the shoot date happens. Here's the fourth tip to creating eye-catching headshots. When it comes to your hair, it's always best to go with a natural style for headshots. Keep your hair down but out of your face so casting directors can see exactly what you look like. If you have curly hair, opt to keep it curly rather than using a straightener. Also, if you color your hair, make sure you have it just the way you want it both in your pictures and for a while after the shoot. You don't want to switch up your style before you've completed an audition and confirmed a booking, as casting directors generally choose you for your specific style based on these photos. Once you've landed a part, then would be a reasonable time to ask the CD if and when you can change it up. Here is the fifth tip to creating eye-catching headshots. When it comes to your smile, just be you. It can sometimes be uncomfortable shifting into the various positions the photographer asks of you in order to capture the best lighting and angles. Just remember to be natural and try not to overthink too much, as it tends to show in your smile. Find ways to make yourself feel the most comfortable. Relax, take a deep breath before the camera clicks, and you'll be able to deliver your best looks effortlessly. These are just a few of the things you can implement that will guarantee you get some killer headshots. Ones that will be sure to up your chances of getting booked. Remember to prepare yourself in advance, and most importantly, have fun! To learn more, feel free to sign up for our free virtual open call. On this free virtual open call, you will learn about the recent changes in the modeling and acting industries that is opening the doors for more job opportunities. You will learn cutting-edge ways to gain access to a steady stream of high-paying modeling and acting jobs in your local area. You will also learn how to receive continued online training workshops that will prepare you for that big audition or casting call. Click the link below to register now.